Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 13, File Handling in C. In this episode, we learn how to read from and write to files, and handle file operations safely. File handling in C allows you to store data permanently in files, read it later, and write new data. Functions like fopen, fclose, fprintf, fscanf, freed, and fwrite are used. To work with files, open them using fopen with the desired mode and close them with fclose to release resources. Read data from files using fscanf for formatted input or freed for binary data. Check for the end of file with forf. Write data to files using fprintf for formatted text or fwrite for binary data. Always close the file afterward. After opening the file, always check if the pointer is null, indicating the file could not be opened. Handle errors to prevent program crashes. This diagram shows the process of opening a file, performing read or write operations, processing data, and closing the file. Here is an example of writing data to a file using fopen and fprintf. When you run this program, it creates a file and writes the specified text into it. This example opens a file in write mode and writes a line of text using fprintf. Then closes the file. The output of example 1, writing to a file is as follows. Data.txt created with text. Hello file handling. This program reads the content from data.txt using fscanf and prints it on the screen. The output of example 2, reading from a file is as follows. Read from file, hello file handling. This example opens a file in append mode and adds a new line of text at the end of the file. The output of example 3, appending to a file is as follows. Appends, appending the new line, to data.txt. This program attempts to open a file that does not exist and checks if the file pointer is null too. Handle the error. The output of example 4, checking file existence is as follows. File does not exist. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Create a file and write a sentence into it. Use fopen in write mode and fprintf to write data. Exercise 2. Read content from an existing file and display it. Use fopen in read mode and fscanf or fgets to read the content. Exercise 3. Append multiple lines into a file. Open the file in append mode and use fprintf to add lines. Exercise 4. Check if a file exists before reading. Use fopen and check if the file pointer is null. Exercise 5. Copy content from one file to another. Read each line from the source file and write it to the destination file using loops. Thank you for watching episode 13. Stay tuned for the next episode in this Basic C Programming series.